pulling to that side. Hey.
I hope I can follow this son of a gun out. Damn.
Back up.
Damn. Okay, I think I got that. There we go. I got that son of a gun now. Yeah, I'm gonna speed up. Okay, I got you. I might just gotta get a wide angle on this sucker. There we go. Hold up there. There you go.
Nope, no landing. Got it?
Yeah, there we go.
Come on. I can't. Take it back up. Get it on up out of there.
That damn thing's so damn smaller. Okay, I got it. Woo!
God, dog.
So once you get past there, that's when you go out of focus. Now you don't gotta piece this together, cuz. What the hell? There you go. Okay. I got you. Shit, dude, this sucker's so small.
Bring it on back over.
Yeah. It's so small, dude. That.
Yeah, I'm about to work on those tracks. They kind of
Did it go up?
turn it in. They turn it inward.